today I'm going to do a quick review of the Parkside, where it's a Li-ion battery powered rotary tool. And I've had this one now for quite some time. It must be knocking on for a year now. I've previously done a review on the larger 240 volt powered one, mains powered, and I have since given that one away. Purely and simply because when I got this one, I was using this all the time and stopped using the other one entirely. So somebody had a need for one and I said, look, you can have this one. So this is the case it comes in. It's got a USB-C charger, which is the latest generation type of connector plug, which you can see there. If you don't know what those type are like, it's a bit like the mini D-shaped ones, except it will go in either way. It doesn't matter, it's irrelevant. The charger lives in this little bit here. Obviously, instruction booklet, like normal. In fact, actually lives underneath this, because it can clip out. And I've had it stored in there like that. Which is quite nice because most of the units you just end up throwing that away with a cardboard box because you've got nowhere to put it. Most of the tools in here I haven't used. I think I've used one grinding tool and something else, I can't quite remember. It comes with a cut-off tool, all the normal bits and pieces. Grinding wheels, polishing bonnets, that kind of setup, and all the normal kit. I've got a few other bits and pieces which I use. These are cheap Chinese, they're like a Scotch-Brite bonnet and they're really quite good. There's one that's virtually worn out. The little grinding domes, I don't know what you call them now, grinding wheels, whatever, but they're just little abrasive wheels. I've got packets of them. So all the normal bits and pieces that you'd expect to find in one of these machines. So the tool itself, as you can see, it's seen a bit of action. I will not start it up without something in there. Right, 6 speed, well I say 6 speed, it's just one speed that's variable. Well, in fact it's 7 if you include the max. So switch on the end. So the speed is really quite variable. Can get a bit of a vibrate on. The 240 volt one did that every now and then. 3 LED lights, as you can see, telling you the state of charge. There is an adapter for the end, which I would suggest has an extension cable go on. I don't know, but say an extension cable, a little fly lead for a little grinding attachment on the end, I don't know, but there's not much to say about it really, other than the fact that it's really an excellent little tool, and say I use it a lot. Biggest drawback is the spindle lock, because I find when you're using it you end up pressing the bloody thing and you've got to be very conscious of not doing it. It is a little bit bulkier, there are smaller machines out there, but on the same side it's got plenty of power to it. And that is the biggest thing about this machine that I've seen over other ones, the fact that it has actually got a lot of guts to it. And it doesn't give up easily. Which is not the point. Really, you don't want to be often having to press quite hard. The whole point of a lot of these machines is the speed does the work. But nevertheless, I actually love it. I think it's a brilliant piece of kit. So that is the only thing there. I would like to have seen them put that somewhere which wasn't quite so easy to press, or was in a little recess or something. It's just a bit too easy to press while it's going round and you hear it. Yeah, oh, damn button. Other than that, excellent little tool. One other little thing is that the case, this is a right pain in the arse to get in and out. Obviously you have to have no tool in here. I've actually cut, this was actually a loop. Before you had to slide it in, twist it, and it's a bit awkward to put in and out of the case. Comes with 5 collet holders of different sizes, one in the machine, and there's 4 others. So I think pretty much I should think that any devices you could use on any of these type of rotary tools, Dremels, whatever you want to, will fit into this machine, because it's got such a range of collets. I've still got all my old Dremel tools from the original Dremel that burnt out ages ago, and you can see I've still got a selection of these as well. They say I bought a huge bag of these and these, and they all fit in it. Polishing stuff I haven't really used much. This case came with my other tool and I hung on to it, and it takes the I've still got the original Dremel cut off tool, which to be fair is very good compared with the little cheaper cut off ones that you screw on. I do actually prefer these. I don't know if anybody's doing any copies yet, because the discs are not exactly cheap. But this machine fits them all and seems to do an excellent job of using them. So what I've done for a quick show and tell, as it were, I put a new sanding drum in. I'll put some glasses on. And a quick demonstration of just what it can do. On maximum speed. And I'm going to press on there quite hard. I don't like doing this, but just to give you some idea of the power. And that didn't give up, did it? Because the light in here, I don't think you can see very well exactly how deep that is. But it's a fair bit. That's a good, what, 3mm I reckon. So it achieved that quite easily. And that one's, yeah, 3mm deep. That was quite easy, and you can see how hard I was pressing that, and the machine just didn't want to stop. And that one's, yeah, that's nearly 3mm as well. So you can see how easily done that. Very good little tool. And there you go. So I've got a couple of other Parkside reviews I'm going to be doing. Highly recommend this tool. So 2 drawbacks of it. One, that, and the other being it getting in and out of the case. But they're really nothing to worry about, and they definitely wouldn't stop me buying this over anything else. Price wise, I can't remember what I paid for this. It wasn't a lot compared with a lot of other tools out there. It's excellent price normally, and 3 years warranty on them. And we've got lithium ion battery, 12 volt. And I have actually, if I can recall correctly, I have actually run out of battery power, plugged in the charger, and was able to start using it straight away, straight off the charger. For that, obviously the charging socket would be in a bit of an awkward position because it would ideally be better in the end, but you know, there you go. It is what it is. Price wise, excellent piece of kit.